Creating a landing page on Landingi is straightforward thanks to its drag and drop interface. Here's how to do it. Sign up or log in. Go to the Landingi website and sign up for an account or login if you already have one. Choose a template. Landingi offers a wide range of customizable templates. You can choose from templates based on your industry or goal. Select a template that fits your needs or start from scratch with a blank canvas. Customize the template. Once you've chosen your template, use the drag and drop editor to add elements like text, images, videos, buttons, and forms. You can modify fonts, colors, and layout to match your branding. Add a clear call to action, such as sign up or learn more, and connect it to your email marketing tool or CRM if needed. Optimize for mobile. Landingi allows you to switch between desktop and mobile views. Make sure your landing page is responsive and looks great on all devices. Publish the landing page. When you're happy with the design, click the Publish button. You can either publish it on a Landingi subdomain or connect your own custom domain.